Hello guys, welcome to Digital Danny YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to start from our last tutorial. So in the last tutorial we had gone through this HTML structure. So I'm sure that you are must aware of this HTML structure, and in this particular video we are going to discuss more importantly about the tags. So what exactly tags are? Tags are basically a basic thing which makes up an HTML. So let me just tell you about the tag. So if you see over here, this is one tag, okay, and you have seen this HTML in the previous video also, and we have seen body, and we have seen, so these all are tags, okay. So every starting tag has an ending tag also. Like if you see title is the having an end tag also, head also have a end tag, body, exactly. So these all are tags. So I'm going to tell you more about different kind of tags in HTML, and basically how HTML is made up of all tags. So if you, in the last video you have seen like h1 tag, okay. Similarly we have more tags like this. Just copy and paste. There is h2, h3, h4, h5 and h6. So I just quickly make changes to this h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6, okay. I'll also change over here h3, h4, h5, h6. So these all are tags, okay. So let me just h1 type over here, h1, okay. Then I will type h1, h2, okay, h3. Then we have h4. You can type in smaller lowercase, anything like h5, and we have h6. So I want to show you the difference. This one is 6. So I just want to show you the difference. What is the difference? So let me just go and refresh this page. I'll close this, okay. See, basically what happened is like h1 is the highest tag. It's basically it's for making the headings. Like, okay, this is the heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, heading 6. So for example, like let us suppose you want to make some big heading in your website. So you can use h1 tag. You can use h2 tag for a smaller. Similarly you can go down and you can use these kind of tags. So now let me tell you one more tag, okay. There is one p tag for paragraph. Now you see paragraph, okay. This is paragraph tag. So if I refresh this page, okay, if I save this page and if I refresh, see, if we see paragraph tag, so this also has come. Now let me show you one more tag, hello, bold tag. If I refresh, see, it has become bold. Similarly, there are a lot of tags in HTML, so you have to understand that basically HTML document is made up of tags only. If I put I, so it will become italic, okay. If I put U tag, underline, so it is italic. So in the description I am like, I'll add up all this code, hello, italic, underline. So like later on when we'll be learning more about HTML, you will see that we have so many tags in HTML that you will come across. So if you come across something like this, so just make sure that you are like knowing, you're reading about the tags. And in the next video I'm going to tell you like add tags have attributes also. So we are going to discuss about that also, and next video we're going to move forward and we'll discuss more about these kind of things, okay. So hope you like this tutorial, and if you do like the tutorial, you can just hit the like button, and also you can subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to complete this HTML tutorial for you, and then we are going to move forward with CSS and then JavaScript, and then we are going to learn about PHP. Basically, we are going to learn about web development, and later on we will go about application, graphic designing. A lot of things are coming, so just subscribe to the channel, and we are going with some very basic things, so don't worry. You will know everything about web development. You will be having a good knowledge about what exactly is web development, and slowly and steadily when you move forward, then you can easily do your projects and also apply for job. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it, and I shall see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.